What's up, brick builders? Today's build is Turkey. This is set number MMMB015. This year it came out was 2009 and age group 6+, and it comes with a piece count of 28. Hello folks, Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. How you doing? Welcome to another build video. Thanksgiving is coming up. It's just around the corner, so we thought we'd do some turkey builds. There's quite a few. So yeah, this is going to be our first Thanksgiving build. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Yeah, let's dive in and build it. How cool is this? It's not a bad turkey at all. It's not a bad turkey. For 28 pieces, that's pretty cool. And you know, my favourite piece is this use of the red brick with the bar here to give it that chin piece. That is just brilliant part usage. That is so cool. Thinking out the box there. Tail feather. It's pretty cool as well. The whole look of it, it does kind of resemble a turkey. Not bad for a monthly mini model build. And you get some pretty cool parts with it as well. Let's face it, you get the angled plates, your quarter circle plate there, loads of mini mountings, Technic pin to hold in the tail feather, your brick special with the bar. Yeah, there's quite a few really cool useful pieces in this. There you go, folks. Not a massive build. I mean, monthly mini model builds aren't really that big. So, yeah. I think that's pretty cool. It really does pull off a turkey, I think. We got some more coming up, folks. If you enjoyed the video and you want to see some more content like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share amongst your friends, family, and anybody else who you think would be interested in seeing some more of these builds. Also, put your notifications onto all so you don't miss me in the next video. I'm Sean from BRIT'N Bricks. Peace.